see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good morning.
Good morning!
Just like the mail.
What? We're going to the mall. Good morning! Today is December 14 and alis kayo. Punta kami ng ano, nasa, punta kami ng town. Wait, isak muna. Maraming tanong.
No, diesel's not fast. Petrol is. Maybe this time petrol.
Are you done talking, Zach? Can mommy talk now? Okay. So, punta kami ng town. Dapat ako lang. Kasi sabi ko, iwan ko yung mga batas. Okay, Jan. Si Kuya wala. Nasa school. May pasok pa si Kuya. Si Zach tapos na yung school niya. Bakasyon na si Zach. So, dapat ako lang. Tapos sabi ni Jan, sama daw siya kasi pupunta rin daw siya sa Bunnings. Kukuha siya ng basin, right, babe? Kasi papalitan yung sa ano namin, yung sa bathroom kasi ano na, pangit na yun. Nasira na. And say hi to my friends, babe. Good morning. Tinawanan ka ni Zach. Nabigla siya, hindi niya yun alam na gagawin ko yun. Oli, what you gonna say? Summer dito ha, it's summer pero naka-ano kami, para kami nakasuot ng pang winter kasi ang lamig. Di ba kahapon pa yung ano, yung maulan tsaka mahangin. Kaya tingnan niyo si Holly. Holly, show your outfit, baba. Naka-scarf, tapos ano siya, naka-distress na jeans na may leggings.
Mom, I have a scarf. The scarf where you
Scarf.
Yeah, I have that.
Where is it? Yeah, you do.
Yeah, it's in the bedroom. Oh, we have orange and blue.
Yeah. I remember. Yeah, that was from Kuya, and now it's yours. And you're gonna pass it to Holly one day. Holly, why are you picking your nose?
But Mom, we don't use it anymore.
Because it's summer now. It's only today because it's cold and raining, windy. That's why.
Mom, you only use that stuff for snow.
For snow. No. It's not just for snow. Yeah, Baba, stop picking your nose. Yan, punta na kami ng town and ang gamit ko lang is, wala akong foundation. Yes?
In your bag?
In my bag, yes. Naghanap si Holly ng tissue. So, nag-ano lang ako, sunscreen and moisturizer and eto yung gamit kong lipstick. Lagi eto. Tapos, eto yung bigay ni Pompal na cheek stain. So, yun. Tingnan nyo sa labas. Ang lakas ng ano, hangin. Maulan. Hindi ko lang makita nyo. Basta, ayan, foggy, malungkot. Kaya dyan, traffic na to. Sa atin, wala pa to. Diyan pupunta si Jan sa Bunnings. Oops. Ako sa ano, Big W. Kasama niya raw kami dito. Yes, baby. Ayan, dito kami sa Bunnings. Akala ko si Jan lang siya, si Sak dito sa Bunnings. And then kami ni Holly sa Big W. Sabi ni Jan, lahat daw kami dito sa Bunnings. Then punta kami after sa Big W. So ayan, naghahanap kami ng basin. Ayan, yung para sa bathroom. So ayan. Siya po yung boss. Siya po yung nagpapa-shopping sa amin. Gustong-gusto niya yung bag kong yan.
Oh, Dad, get that one.
Baka siya naman magbayad mamaya.
Dad, get that one.
You like that one, Baba? Okay.
How many money is this?
Ano?
How many money is this?
How many money?
Yeah.
996. That's expensive.
No, but how you put it? How you did it?
Oh, someone will deliver it to your house. Ha? Oh, binigyan niya sa akin yung baby niya. Kasi, ayun, mag-shoulder bag na lang daw siya. Ang cute mo, Holly. Give me my bag now, Baba. Baba. Baba, give me my bag.
What's that one?
Holly, give me my bag. Hoy, please. Akin na yung bag ko. Ayaw niyang ibigay, oh.
It's got to have some sit flush with the hole.
right.
So with the bench. So Oh, we can. I mean,
Okay,
we can
that
do
for
that
Mama.
as long as I can. That's the one.
Ta for Mama.
One that's
Oi.
been made.
Holly. Ta for Mommy. Lang siyang sunod sa daddy niya. Magpapagawa ka po ba ng bagong kitchen? Yan po ba, ma'am, ang gusto niyo? Ayun niyo talagang ibigay yung bag. Akin na yan, baba. Kanina ka pa pabalik-balik. Yan ba ang gusto niyo, ma'am? Alin po yung gusto niyo, ma'am? Hindi niya alam kung anong oven ang kukunin niya po. Hoy, nahihilo na ako sa iyo, ha? Mahirap kang customer, ha? So, yan po ba? Hindi raw. Sige, i-check mo. Mahal po yan, ma'am. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Sundan lang po natin si ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yan po ba, ma'am? Yan yung kukunin namin. Finally, binigay niya na yung bag sa akin, oh.
You know, really.
Go follow daddy. Where's daddy? No, you don't. Iniwan lang muna sa cashier yung bibilhin na basin. Nasira nila yung ganito namin. So, bili ulit ng isa. May nabili na siya. Yes, come on. Ito kami ni Holly sa sa mga plants. And, tingnan niyo yung nakita namin. Holly, what's this, Holly?
Huh?
What's this? Spicy. Eto, may chili sila, oh. Kuha tayo. Chili bites, $10. Chili and hanging basket, $17. So, hindi ko alam kung alin dyan. Eto yata ang $17. Ayan. Baba doon, baba. So, ayan. Ayan, hanging basket daw to. Gusto niyang tumulong. So, ayan. Mga mga herbs. See ya. Come on, Baba. Come on, this one. Bring this one. Gusto kasing Oh, that one. That one lang. The blue one. Get the blue one. Dito na kami sa Big W. Si Jia tsaka yung mga kids nandun sila sa kabila. So, dito ako sa may mga toys kasi hanapan ko yung kaibigan namin ng regalo. May anak din kasi yun. Hanap muna tayo. Gusto niya yung T-Rex, oh. Siya nakakuha ng bot. Yowie. Is it? Huh? Huh?
This is really cool. This in water, in plain form, and it on the snow and it on the grass.
Yes,
I
but
really want this.
I'm not sure. Come on.
How much
I'm
money
done.
you have?
I don't have money.
Yes, you do.
I don't have money. Ayan, nagkakaubusan na po. Wala na masyadong mabibili dito sa Big W. Ayan, and ayan si Holly. Traffic po, traffic. Holly, come on. Okay, wait. Wait. Mag-vlog ngayon kasi ang daming tao. So, ayan. Tapos na ako dito sa mga toys para dun sa mga kaibigan namin. Ayan. Hinahanap ko yung mag-aama ko. Asa na kaya sila? Kuha din siya. Ha? Is that chewy? It's not chewy. You want that?
Dad, how about you take one and read it?
Lollies. Okay. Come on, Holly. Where's your bunny, Baba? Okay, let's go. Yan, tapos na kami dito sa Big W. Kami ng Coles. Dapat sa Lunes pa, kaso kasama ko si Jan, may kukunin kaming yung mga kulang-kulang lang.
Hey, I'm very hard now.
And
You're not eating them all.
kuha din ako ng tinapay kasi wala nang tinapay.
No more lollies for you.
No more lollies for Holly.
You can't eat them all, Baba.
That's right.
Have some later. Have some later.
Kinukuha ni Jan yung Mentos na
You get
kinuha
sore
niya.
belly if you eat too many.
That's right.
And you speak.
So yan, mag-grocery kami. Yung mga kulang lang sa bahay. Kasi hindi pa Lunes. Dapat sa Lunes pa ako kukuha. Pero sabi ni Jan, mag-calls na daw kami ngayon. So yun. And time check is 12:36. What time we gonna pick up TJ, ha? 2:15. Maaga si Kuya ngayon lalabas.
Finished for 1 minute.
So yun, pick upin si Kuya ang alas 2. Maaga sila ngayon lalabas. So yun. Amang tama sa may pintuan kasi umuulan. O, diba? You have to check.
Yep, good.
Is it good?
Yep.
Okay. Yes, that will do.
Baba.
Half a kilo, please. Thank you. Kuha tayo ng half a kilo of banana prawns. Chicken. Lagyan natin dito ang chicken. What's that? You want that one? Hi, Holly, come here. Si Holly kasi, ay, eto na lang na. That's too big, Baba.
No, this.
No, that's too big. Yeah, that's too big.
That's slabby.
Huh? Get, yeah, that one. Let me see. Ah, no, not this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
That's good.
Baba, Holly, no, Holly. Holly, come here.
This one?
Bell pepper. Okay, that one. That's good. Ayaw ni Holly maupo sa cart kasi nandito ang daddy niya.
The green one.
Yeah, we'll get another one. Green. Girl? Holly, no. Let Kuya Sak check it first. Is it good?
Yep.
Holly, no. Ta for mommy. Gusto niya rin kumuha.
Mom,
Yes.
come here.
What?
This one.
Hoy, Baba, no.
No, I want to
This, no, that, wait. Gusto nila nito yung
this one.
soy cream. Anna, is that the one you want?
Okay.
Gusto nila tong soy crisp na chili and lime.
Oh, I like it.
You like this? Okay, get some. Holly. Spicy, Holly. A bit spicy. Gusto raw nito ni Sak. You share with Kuya TJ, ha?
Let eat it all.
No,
I like
you have
it.
to... Baba, no. Si Holly. Wait, Holly.
Hey, you don't pay for it.
That's right. Soy
How
crisp.
do we get to each?
Huh? Okay, get one for Kuya then.
Okay, this one's for Toya.
No, that's for you.
One that TJ. Hey.
That for Kuya TJ. Oh, sorry. Sa kanya raw yan. Careful, ha? Careful. Oh, that's enough.
Oh,
That's
there's
enough.
more.
Tingnan mo to. That's enough.
Here, two more.
No, just one more.
Please, Mom.
That's enough. That's too much,
This
Baba.
one, this one.
Ay, ang kulit. Okay, that's it. Close now. Ito yung kay Sak. 973.
Hold it.
Okay. Stick.
Oh,
Stick there. Okay, magkano siya? $2.45. Kuha tayo nitong rolls. Gusto to ni John. Masarap to. You want blueberries? You want?
yes.
Itong banana muffin bars.
Mom,
Kasi nasa ano siya, individual plastic. Yan.
Dad.
What's that?
Daddy, Daddy.
Spicy?
Daddy.
It's not spicy. This one? You want that
Just
one?
cook them all.
All of this? Gusto raw to ni
And then
John.
I'll just have
Garlic prawn.
garlic prawns and
Mashed potato. Pumunta dun si Jan sa may kung saan ako kumuha ng prawns kasi kukuha si Jan ng maliliit na prawns yung luto na kasi gusto niya eto yung dinner niya for tonight na mayroong creamy garlic prawns. Yung kinuha kong prawns na banana prawns na sa akin yun. Kasi kukuha ka dun sa sa deli para sa kanya. So kuha ko ng condensed milk kasi gusto niya mag mango shake one day. Ayan. Dalawa. Para may stock ako. Oh. Isa lang nandito. Asan sila? Cream to eh. Isa na lang. Isa na lang. Dito pala sila. Para tayong isa pa. Yung paborito ng mga bata. Tsaka, masarap kasi ito. Ubus na yun eh. Wala na sa ref. Another one. Tayo ng dalawa kasi mayroon pa ako dun eh. Ayan. Meron pa nito sa bahay. Kaya tayong dalawa. Is it 1/4?
that's 300 grams.
Oy, pagod ka na kakalakad. Upo ka na sa sa trolley. Alis ka dyan, oh. Alis. Excuse me. Shh. Hoy. Are you alright? Alis, baba. Kuha tayong isa kasi meron pa sa bahay. Para sa Lunes hindi na ako mag-grocery. So, kuha na tayo niyan. Isa nito. Oops. Oy. Yan, ganyan ka na. What you get? Oh, lots of lollies. Yeah. Yeah, I get this one. Here. Huh? You want that? Okay. Hoy, that's it. Oh. Shopping siya, oh. That's enough. No, that's enough. What's that? No. We don't need this, Papa. We don't need this one. Put it back, please. We still have wheat bix. Kumuha siya ng wheat bix. No, we still have that one. Still have, come on. Paborito to ni Holly. Yes. Ubus na yung rice namin. Kuha tayo nito. Jasmine rice. Ayan. Sinisipon yung mga bata. Lang ako yung 12 pieces, yung 1 dozen. Kasi meron pa akong egg sa bahay. Check natin. So, okay to. Kumuha na siya ng coffee niya. Ngayon sila. Ang cute tingnan. Yes. Yes, I know. Cream para sa garlic prawns. Isa nito. Ang maliit. What's that? Mango. Yeah, that's good. Kaya? Kaya mo? No. Go now. Go with daddy. You cannot push it, Baba. You can't. You can't. It's heavy. It's heavy. Go with daddy. Go with daddy. Got tayo ng carrots and cheese. What's that? Huh? Where is the what? We still have butter there, Baba. Hoy. We still have...
What the hell?
No, we still have butter, love. Yeah, we still have. We're just gonna get the... Kasi malapit na rin yun maubos. Baba! Do you have more butter there, huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, come on, Holly. Kinuha na lang namin yung malaki kasi paubos na rin daw yun, sabi ni Jan. Okay, come on. Tayo ng cheese. Nasaan na sila? Okay. Oh, you still have milk. Okay, go with daddy, go. May milk ka pa doon? Dad. Yeah. Kuha tayo ulit ng napi kasi yung nabili kong napi sa Big W, sobrang laki kay Holly. Size 6 yung nakuha ko pala. Size 4 lang siya kasi maliit lang si Holly. Ayan. Kuha tayo nitong oil. Nakalimutan ko yung oil. Holly. Hold that one, Holly. Yeah. Meron tayong yung dati yung mini collection ng ano, Coles. Yes. Don't forget the rice, babe. So, ayan. Tapos na. Come on, go, Daddy. So, done. Okay. Ayan, tapos na kami sa Coast. Dito na kami sa Baker's Delight para kumuha ng tinapay. Ayan, babe. Oh. So, yeah. Yes. Dito na kami sa Baker's Delight. Ayan. Ang sarap ng tinapay dito. So, ito yung tinapay dito sa Baker's Delight. Marami silang masasarap na tinapay. Pinapahati ko siya sa dalawa kasi di ba linalagay ko siya sa freezer. So, ayan. Ayan. Tapos na tayo. Ayan. Pauwi na kami and si Holly, ayan, nakatulog na siya. Haba napsa. You're tired. Pick upin namin si Jan lang pala. Pick upin niya si Kuya and ako magpuput away ng mga groceries. Tingnan ko kung makakapag-haul ako. And if ever man, siguro ihiwalay ko na lang yung pag-haul kasi baka mahaba na yung vlog. So, yun lang. Pagod na siya. Okay, see you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya. See ya, babe. Say bye, Han. Magagalit yan sa akin.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.